did you see that? That was a monster. Oh, God, did you see that? That was a monster. All right, guys, we're gonna see how good Mowgli swims. Come on, buddy, walk. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy, you can do it. Good job. Good job. Swimming. Good job. Good job. Good job. This way. Good job, buddy. Well, I saved my bucket. And my better half. Caught my first tagged fish. Good morning. Welcome to Max Extreme Air Fishing Outdoors. Today we're going to go do some river fishing. Now this year I've done some river fishing, but work has gotten in the way. Other things have gotten in the way. So anyway, we're hitting up a very good river today. I've got Mowgli. Say hey, Mowgli. Got Mowgli today, and a month ago or so I released a video called the South's Best Bass River. Well, this is another river, and this one may be giving it a close run for its money. I've fished a lot of rivers in the South, Georgia, Florida, North Carolina, Virginia. These two may actually be definitely in the top 5 of the South's best bass rivers. But anyway, let's get busy. Let's see if we can catch anything today. It's a cool morning, mid-September. I'm gonna start off with top water, maybe flow a fluke, something hits and misses. May try for some panfish. We'll figure it out when we get there. Let's get busy. Let's go catch some fish. All right, guys, we'll get all the rods down here, the anchor, paddle, life jacket. We'll see you on the water. Mowgli, are you in the boat? All right, let's go. Let's go, Mowgli. Mowgli, we're fishing. We're fishing, Mowgli. I'm gonna throw the whopper plopper. And I'm gonna have a fluke on this 5/0 EWG hook. Let me get a fluke on there. Okay. Zoom Super Flukes, Pearl. Always. Well, 99% of the time, when I'm throwing any top water, whether it be a frog, a spook, devil's horse, no matter what it is, most of the time, 99% of the time, I've got a fluke or a Cinco ready to throw back on a missed hit. Most of the time, that's going to be a fluke. Okay. It's all right. Stay. Stay. Can't mess up my fish. Oh. First cast right there. First cast. What do I got? Maybe I got a fish. Oh, good bass. Good bass. Oh, it got me on a rock. Good bass. Good bass. Don't come on. Good bass, Mowgli. Good bass. All right. There we go. Boy, he choked it. All right, guys, first cast in a pool over there. It's a nice river bass on a Mepps Minnow. He's about 1.5 pounds. He's not bad. He choked that thing. It's not all the way down his gut, but it's pretty deep. So let me do some work real quick. Ooh, he's good. All right, nice. Let's go catch another one, Mowgli. Mepps Minnow, first cast in that one pool. We're gonna try this again. Oh, God, did you see that? That was a monster. Oh, God, did you see that? Guys, did you see that? That was a monster. Monster. He come and swirled it, had it in his mouth. I don't think he felt the hook. I may have to go, I'll do a couple more casts. I'll go way downstream, I'll come back. Oh, that was a monster. I mean, 4 or 5 pounds probably. Oh. There he goes. Oh, how'd I miss him? How did I miss that fish? Try him again. The minnow's jumping out of the water. Oh, there's a little fish. That's a little bass. Guys, I just missed another good one. That's a little largemouth, but that's cool. I like catching little fish. So I've actually lost 3 good ones. Just that Mepps Minnow ain't hooking them good. The hooks are sharp. They caught this one. All right, let's see if we can get another one. Let's see if we can get another one of the big ones. No, you stay. Guys, like I said, I've lost 8 good bass today. Really 8 good ones. So I waded back to the canoe to get another pack of ultralight lures. I knew I had a good little, you know, pinky finger long rapple in it. Normally I have a snap in front of them, I don't. But I told Mowgli to stay at the rock we were on. Can you see him? But he's right there. He's right there waiting on me. Good job. Good job. This way. Good job, buddy. Oh. Oh. Well, I saved my bucket. Little red breast. Little one. There's another one. That's a little better. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Woo! 2 at one time. Woo! 2 at one. Hey guys, all the frustration I've had today, even though these are little fish, this might have saved the day. 2 red breasts at one time. Now how good you can see that. I got it on camera coming in. 2 at one time. Woo! All right, I'm gonna put them in the water, take a picture. That might have saved the day right there. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Oh, that's a nice one. Easy. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, come on. Easy, got a bass. Easy, whoa, Mowgli. Whoa, Mowgli. Yes. Guys, there's a little bit of redemption. Don't get me wrong, I've had a good day. Any day you spend time on the water, not at work. It's a good day, but this is the worst day I've ever had for losing fish. I bet I lost 12 good fish. The Mepps Minnow saved the day. Caught some red breasts, a bunch of red breasts. I'm not gonna show you many of them. Most of them were small. I did catch a few decent ones, but I caught 2 at one time. That's the 4th or 5th time I pulled that off in my lifetime. So, to be as bad of a day it was, I'm gonna end it on this good note right here with just a little bass right here. Guys, hope you enjoyed it. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.